Hello everyone, today we are solving Leetcode 118 Pascal's triangle. So what is Pascal triangle? Pascal's triangle is that for each of the rows at the beginning is 1 and at the end is 1, and between the elements it is computed from the above row the sum of the two elements. So for example, here we have 3 and this is 1, this is 2, 1 plus 2 gives 3, and this is 3 as well, which is 2 plus 1 equals 3. And for this example here, we want to compute number of rows equals 5, which the output will be this. This will be an array format of the Pascal's triangle from above. And in order to code this up, the trick that goes with this is that so we're starting with 1, and what we can do with this one is that we put 0 at the front and 0 at the end, and we want to do additions from the beginning to the end, which will be 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So this will give me 1, 1. And for 1, 1, we also do the same. We put 0 at the beginning and 0 at the end, and do the computation from the beginning to the end, which will be 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 0. So that will become 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 to 1, and so on and so forth. So notice how that these arrays here is exactly the same here. So basically, after we do this computation here, we can append it back to the initial array, and by doing so, this will give me the right Pascal's triangle of the given number of rows. So let's initialize array 1 to be 1, and we want to traverse from 0 to number of rows minus 1. And initially we wanna do this one here, which is put 0 at the beginning and 0 at the end. And notice here we wanna take the last element of array 1. So yep, after this one is done, we want to initialize an empty row, which will be just that for the array. And this array here is we want to store the computed value, which we get from 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 0 here, and we just append it back to the row. And afterwards, we just append row back to array 1. So let's do the computation. And for this, we are going from length of array, the last element, minus 1. Oh, sorry, plus 1. The reason why we are plus 1 here is because each time that we compute a new element, a new array, the next row will be 1 additional. So for example, this row here is 2, and this row here is 1 plus 2, and this row here is 1 plus 3. So that's why we do a plus 1 here. And then we want to do so row dot append array j plus array j plus 1. Yep. And then lastly, we just do append row. return array 1. Yep, let's run this. All right, cool. So this solution works. And for time complexity of this this solution is number of rows squared.